What's up YouTube, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and today we have the brand new product red iPhone 8 Plus, and for it we've gone all out red. We've got some red background lights, we got the red shades, and we've also got a red Apple t-shirt. Okay, it's not really a red Apple t-shirt, it's just a regular red t-shirt with the Apple logo sticker, but don't tell anybody. Anyway, a thumbs up for the dedication would be appreciated. Now, some of you guys may already know that each year, sort of mid-cycle, Apple releases some red versions of their iPhones, and those are in association with the charity Red, and a certain portion of the purchase will be contributed towards supporting HIV and AIDS programs. We're not sure how much this portion actually is. It could be $1, $100, we have no idea, but nevertheless, it's definitely a good cause. Now let's get straight to the box. So first thing, we've got this white box with this very red iPhone 8 Plus image. If we compare it to the space gray box of the iPhone 8 Plus, you can see that we've got quite a contrast, very gray here, whereas we've got white and red. All the logos are also red on the left, right, top and bottom. Now getting to the unboxing, let's get rid of this plastic. Very, very red. Initially presented with the paperwork, and then we have the red iPhone. Look at that. Wow, that is very, very red. Let's put that to the side for a second. Now everything else inside the box is pretty much the same as every other iPhone. So we've got a standard power brick, we've got a standard lightning cable, some lightning earpods, as well as a lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack converter. The only thing different that we have is this product red leaflet, and this gives us some info. You can pause on this close-up if you want to have a read. And I don't know about you, but it would have been nice if everything inside was also red. So if we had some red earpods as well as some red Apple stickers, I think that would have been a nice touch and made this whole unboxing experience a little bit more unique. Maybe Apple can do that for the next one, probably not. Now let's get to the red iPhone. So we've got some plastic on here which we can remove. Oh, so satisfying. Wow, I've already got some fingerprints on it. I should probably take my sunglasses off to fully appreciate this. And it looks really nice, very, very red. Now you guys might remember my unboxing of the red iPhone 7 Plus, and because we have a metal build there, it was a slightly different texture. I don't have it with me, but because of this glass, it does look very, very nice and very glossy. The metal frame around the device is also red, the buttons are also red. And then we've got a silver Apple logo, as well as some silver writing. We've got iPhone here, as well as a product red logo. And then designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And then we've got a few of these labels. Now, these labels will depend on your region. Here in the UK, we still have them. I know in certain regions, they've got rid of them, and I wish they did get rid of them here, but unfortunately, they have not. Now, turning the iPhone around is where we've got a very welcome change, and that is a black front. Last year, we had a red back with a white front, which really just didn't go, and that's something that I think pretty much everybody fed back on, that why can't we have a black front? And this black front along with that red back looks really dope. Now everything else is the same as the regular iPhone 8 Plus. We've got the same dual camera setup, we've got the same display, we've got the same Touch ID, and also internally everything is the same. So we've got the Apple A11 chip with iOS 11. Now what if you want a red iPhone but you already have purchased the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, or even the iPhone 10? Well, there's a simple solution to that, and that is with a dbrand skin. You can see that I've got a red skin here on my iPhone 10, which looks absolutely dope. And it's only going to set you back a few dollars, and if you want to change it later on and you change your mind, then you can just pick up another skin. I'll be leaving a link to dbrand, our channel sponsor, in the description below if you want to pick up a skin for your device. And of course, if in addition to that you'd like to donate to the charity Red, I'll also be leaving a link to them below. So that is the product red iPhone 8 Plus. So who is it for? Well, the original iPhone 8 Plus came out around 6 months ago, and we are going to be getting the new iPhones in less than 6 months. So if you are looking for an upgrade, it might be worth waiting for the next iPhone. Of course, this is a great marketing strategy from Apple to kind of refresh their iPhone 8 line, which kind of has been overshadowed by the iPhone 10. And I don't know about figures, but I'd assume that the iPhone 10 has been the better seller. And of course, the iPhone 10 is not available in this red edition. Once again, another great strategy from Apple to sell more iPhone 8s and 8 Pluses. However, if you have come to an upgrade cycle and you don't want to wait another 6 months and you want to pick up an iPhone 8 or 8 Plus, then it is nice to have this option. And it's also nice that some of this is going to be contributed to the charity Red. What do you guys think about the Red iPhone 8 Plus, and what do you think about the whole partnership with Apple as well as the charity Red? Definitely drop me a comment below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you have already, then be sure to subscribe and switch on notifications. There's a lot more content coming up on here. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV. I'll see you next time. What are those shades?